As the first golden rays of dawn sweep across vast tropical plantations, millions of papaya trees awaken under the warm morning sun. Here, in these lush green fields, nature nurtures the perfect ripe papayas that will soon begin their journey toward becoming world-class papaya products. Skilled harvesters move with care and experience, hand-selecting each papaya at the perfect stage of ripeness. Every fruit is gently picked to protect its natural texture, sweetness, and vibrant color. Moments after harvesting, the fresh papayas are loaded into modern refrigerated trucks.
Right here?
Maintaining cool temperatures from the very start ensures maximum freshness and preserves the natural flavor.
Right here?
Perfect, set it down.
At the state-of-the-art processing facility, the journey becomes fully automated. Trucks arrive at massive receiving bays, ready to unload thousands of fresh papayas. A colossal hydraulic system lifts and tilts the entire truck trailer. With impressive precision, thousands of papayas gently flow onto the interconnected conveyor network, beginning their transformation. The papayas enter a gigantic water flume channel. Here, strong yet gentle waves wash away dust, soil, and impurities. This first purification step is essential for world-class food safety. Inside high-pressure wash chambers, every papaya undergoes an intense hygienic cleaning cycle. The result? Perfectly clean and fully sanitized fruit, ready for precision processing. Next, advanced AI optical sorters inspect each papaya with incredible accuracy. Imperfections and damaged fruit are instantly identified and removed using precise robotic arms. Only the finest papayas can continue forward. In the automated peeling section, industrial peelers remove the outer skin in seconds. Each fruit emerges flawlessly peeled, smooth, clean, and ready for the next stage. Guided by laser markers, high-precision blades slice each papaya into perfect halves. The rich, bright orange flesh shines under the factory lights, revealing the seed-filled core. Robotic arms scoop out the seeds with remarkable accuracy. Their synchronized mechanical dance ensures clean, uniform papaya halves every single time. The papaya halves enter high-speed dicing machines. In a matter of seconds, they are transformed into perfect, uniform cubes, ideal for canned papaya, desserts, ready meals, and fruit cups.
Check the expiry date on this one.
It's accurate. We are good to go.
Okay, load these 20 first. Make sure the labels are facing out.
Got it. Moving the next pallet now.
In the pulping system, powerful centrifugal force extracts pure papaya pulp. The vibrant orange liquid flows rapidly through stainless steel pipelines, 100% natural and unfiltered. Colossal blending tanks mix the papaya pulp with other natural ingredients. Giant internal mixers create a smooth, consistent blend with rich color and a silky texture. Inside the homogenizer, extreme pressure breaks down particles to create a perfectly smooth and stable puree, ideal for juices, smoothies, and dessert bases. The purified mixture travels to a massive rotary bottling line. Thousands of bottles spin into position as precision fill heads pour the exact amount into each container. Robotic arms load the filled bottles into huge steam retorts. Here, high-pressure steam kills any remaining microorganisms, ensuring long shelf life while preserving natural flavor. Next, high-speed spider robots package the bottles into cartons with unmatched precision. Every movement is calculated, every placement perfect. A colossal robotic palletizer lifts entire layers of cartons at once, building flawless pallets for secure transportation. Strong, stable, and ready for global shipment. Inside the smart warehouse, autonomous AGV robots transport pallets across the facility. Advanced sensors guide their movements with exceptional accuracy. In the United States and Canada, massive distribution hubs store and manage thousands of pallets. From here, Papaya products are delivered to major grocery chains based on real-time demand.
Pallet 72 coming your way.
Roger that. Bring it in.
Perfect timing. We just sold the last case. Thanks.
All right, these papayas go in the back.
Got it. Watch the ramp.